The performance management system is the newest model that greytHR has come up with. So now I feel that they are a complete circle. So right from data protection, which is the newest, and the performance management, if all that is there, I think that's the best thing to go with. Because most softwares will give you most of the modules, but having all the modules in one software is what we should look at. So I'm Smita Patel, and I am the director to Takshi Auto. We are into manufacturing of axles. So we make the rear axles for SUV segment, and we make the front axles for tractors, trucks and buses. We also have a proprietary product which is the e-axle, and that is mainly used in applications for three-wheeler rickshaws, and abroad it is used mainly for the golf carts. So initially when the company was established about 2 decades ago, that time everything was manual. When I started, the first count in greytHR was hardly 25 or 30 people. And today, if you see, I have about 270 white collar and about 3,000 blue collar people in Takshi. So the scale has gone up drastically, because when we took greytHR, we from there today our revenue has grown 50 times probably. So people are across 8 geographies, but everything happens in a click of the button. The payroll is generated within seconds, I should say. And because of that, and you get very good bank transfer reports. So immediately it's transferred to the bank, and in the next 5 minutes, everybody gets an SMS that so much salary has been deposited. So everybody is very happy. So the date is never missed. The paying of the statutory compliances is never missed. So we never end up paying into penalties and interest or anything like that. None of our employees are unhappy ki salary nahi hua time pe. So I would definitely say that greytHR is value to money. And in spite of having a reasonable cost, they have, as I said, they have a wonderful backend team which immediately resolves your issues. And all my employees having the ESS portal have found it extremely user friendly. Most of my employees use it through their mobiles. So even if it is on a small screen, it is very good to use. So none of them have till date complained that they could not apply for something, they could not take their leaves, they could not, they can download their pay slips, they can see what their income tax was deducted, any other deductions, they can download their Form 16. So it has really become a hassle-free thing for my HR team. The team is happy and the employees are happy. greytHR has a bulletin board also. So anything new that is happening in the company, or we have to say anything about anybody also, we put up on the bulletin. We make real use of that bulletin board, because then it crosses across all geographies. People sitting in Haridwar also know that people in our Ambedkar Chakan plant have won something. They won an award. Birthdays are definitely celebrated. So because of greytHR, in our annual awards, we have started these milestone work awards as well, So 10 years in Takshi are awarded at our annual awards, I would definitely say that now that I'm using greytHR since 15 years, I'm very happy. They can take up your scale. They can manage all your tickets within a few hours. It has hardly ever extended to the next day. The entire life cycle of an employee is very well taken care of. Every employee having ESS portal is very happy. So everything said and done, you also have a very good cloud system backup where we can upload all their documents. So anybody's documents also we can see at a glance. No need to maintain those paper files now. So greytHR I thought was the best choice, and today after using it for 15 years, I totally feel that yes, it was the right choice made.